Can you do this on Instagram? If you can, how? Please make one for Instagram. How can I send it? And I can send it in Instagram. Can you do this on Instagram? How can I send it? Please make one. And I can do this on Instagram. Please make one for Instagram. Is this the same comment copied and pasted 3 times? Maybe. Hi, welcome back. Max here. You guys wanted an Instagram spam bot tutorial, so here it is. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open up our IDE. I'm using PyCharm and I recommend you do the same. And open a new Python file. The next thing we need to do is import PyAutoGUI, and I know you guys had a lot of trouble with this last time, but basically all you have to do is go to the terminal tab down at the bottom and type into the terminal pip install PyAutoGUI. After all the import sequences have finished, we need to import the modules in our Python file. So import PyAutoGUI and time. After that, we'll need a sleep command so that it doesn't start spamming right away. So time.sleep 5. The next thing we need is something to spam. And I don't think the B-movie script is going to cut it this time. Maybe some song lyrics. How about Baby by Justin Bieber? So just copy the lyrics and create a new text file in PyCharm and paste the lyrics inside. The next thing we need to do is open the file. So f equals open baby r. Now we need a for loop to spam these lyrics. So for word in f, PyAutoGUI.typewrite word. And we want it to send the message, so PyAutoGUI.press enter. And that's all on the programming end of things. Now I'm sure you're wondering, why are we doing this on the computer? Well, thanks to the new updated Instagram website, which allows you to DM people, all you need to do is find someone you want to spam, go into PyCharm, hit play, and then go back on the website, and it should look something like this. And that's all I have for this tutorial. If you have any problems or you just want to talk to me in general, join our brand new Discord server. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, click like, comment down below, and even consider subscribing. If not, I'll see you next time.